So we got a little bonus out here on the beach. We've got our Spanish mackerel or our tarpon. This time of year in October, the Tripletail show up really well. And this new 3.5-inch, 1-ounce Pro-Tail paddle has been a perfect little bait for pitching to them. We've got a little swim buoy right here. We're in about 10 feet of water. Just pitch it out, let it sink slowly. Kind of twitch it in. Nice little Tripletail here. These are one of my favorite pelagic species to target here in Southwest Florida. They come in here around fall and like to orientate around vertical structure, floating structure. It's predominantly a sight fisher. You gotta be real careful. They got some extremely sharp gill plates, so I'm being a little delicate with her here. Oh, there she went. Now they like to hold on these buoys, crab pots, things like that. The new 3.5-inch Pro-Tail paddle has been really awesome. They're biting it really well. It sinks pretty slow, and it's imitating that little small forage that's floating around. There's been a ton of them around right now, so we're just pitching these jigs right up onto the structure, letting it sink, and oh, it's got another hit right as we drifted up.